Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to contact a third-party Amazon seller. So any other seller that is not Amazon. If you order something or you're wanting to contact Amazon, there is a different way of going about doing that. So what you want to do is you want to pull up the product that you want to contact the seller for. So say this is the product here that I want to contact the seller for. What I would want to do is go to the product page, log into my account like I've already done. And then once here, what you want to do is go over here to all of the details where you see the price, in stock, all of that good stuff. You can see it ships from Amazon, but it is sold by a seller called Decade West. What I like to do is just click on the seller's name here, Decade West, and this takes you to where you can see their feedback, their name, their ratings, and all of that good stuff. But right here, front and center, you're going to see have a question for seller name, and then go ahead and click on ask a question. It will open up a new tab, and it will say, here is the seller messaging assistant. Hi, I'm messaging assistant from Amazon. What can I help you with? And then you just click on an item for sale, and then you can see, you can go through the process here of going ahead and selecting either that item that we were just there. They're really trying to automatically do this to where they don't have to bother the seller. But what you want to do is just click on other right here. And as you can see, you can type your question below. So what you'd want to do is in this little text box here, you just go ahead and type the question. So go ahead and type your question here. And then once you've done that, you can see here that we can click the blue button that says send message. That will then send the message to the seller, and you've now contacted that seller. Now, if you go to a list of your orders, go to your orders on Amazon, and then you find the different item that you want to contact the seller for. This is just a little different way of getting there. You just go and you click on the item that you've ordered, and then just go right here to where you see sold by. Same thing, click on the seller's name, and then go ahead and go to ask a question right here, and then you can see the messaging assistant pops up. You want to go ahead and click on an order that you've placed, and then you basically go here and select that item, and then it'll give you a list of pre-made kind of questions, but you want to click on other unless it's about like a return or shipping or one of these here, but that's fairly obvious. Go ahead and click on other and then click on none of these. You just need to get down to where you see this physical box here where you can type in the question. Now, some of these you can see here will have like notices and different things like that, but all you need to do is whenever you're asked like, hey, is it about one of these pre-made questions? You need to hit no or other. That way it'll get you eventually to this text box where you can type in your actual question. It's unfortunate that you got to go through that, but it literally takes a few seconds and you're here and you can type in the question. If you need to attach an image of a product that's not correct, you can attach files here as well. All of that can be done by just clicking on the seller name. If you have any further questions about how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.